It's at least one stepping stone in all of the nightmare and stress that's been placed upon myself and my family.
But what was it like having to work for the department under this cloud with the charges?
Well, I mean, I've been on administrative assignment in the crime prevention unit where I've no access to any city police buildings without an escort by another officer. They've taken my gun and badge. I'm in like a timeout session. No training allowed of any type.
And what do you hope to will happen now?
I'm sure once the internal investigation is done by the department that I can move forward and get back to my precinct and continue on what I've been doing for the past years and, you know, providing for the community.
Are you hoping to get back to the patrol work?
That's where I've always wanted to stay. Never wanted to go to the investigative division. I've always felt that the street patrol is the first and best line of defense that we have on things out here.
We believe that we had a strong case from the start, and we've been diligently preparing over the last 9 months in order to put this trial on. We were extremely pleased. That is exactly how I anticipated it to go. We felt that there was no evidence to even charge him in the first place.
And were you surprised that the judge didn't even allow the prosecution, that he dismissed the charges and granted your motion to strike?
No, because I don't believe that they had a reasonable likelihood of conviction.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that the judge saw it just that way.
We're highly upset at the way the department treated Mark. And as Kristen said, we saw right away that there was no need at all for criminal charges. If anything, there may have been a policy violation, but I don't even think that there was a policy violation. I think what Mark did was expose the fact that there was poor supervision down at Property and Evidence and that there was a poorly written policy.
And your association had stood behind Mark this whole time?
100%. Myself, Andy Havola, Vice President, and all our members.
So will you guys be working with him to try to get him restored back to where he was before all of this happened?
Absolutely. We're going to make sure that he gets back to work, that there's no harassment towards him for winning, and then we will assist him in any way possible going forward in a possible civil suit.